What's the meaning of command? Command. Command.
Command. Command. A command is a specific instruction given to a computer or electronic device to perform a task. This task could be anything from opening a program to executing complex calculations. Commands are typically typed into a command line interface or given through voice commands in modern devices. They provide users with a way to interact with technology and get it to do what they want. Using commands can help users save time and increase efficiency when working with computers, as they can be used to automate repetitive tasks or perform advanced operations.